Nature is essential for human life. A healthy environment is a source of food, clean water and air. But nature doesn't exist only for the convenience of mankind. It is also home to millions of other species, and we have to protect them. This is the aim of the Bern Convention, a treaty for the protection of European biodiversity. It has been signed by over 50 countries to prevent the impact of development on the environment, encourage education and research on biodiversity, and harmonize conservation laws. To protect endangered species, the Convention regularly updates lists of animals and plants to be conserved. For example, invertebrates, which account for 95% of the animal kingdom, were not protected until they were included in these lists. Particularly, indigenous wildlife is threatened by invasive alien species. This has become the second biggest cause of extinction worldwide, so the Convention has set in motion a European strategy to help countries end this problem. Also, millions of birds are illegally killed every year, risking the conservation of many already threatened and emblematic species. To eradicate these practices, the Bern Convention is leading an action plan to be implemented across Europe. The Convention also protects habitats by identifying specific areas to be conserved through the Emerald Network. This is an ecological network covering already 600,000 square kilometers in 16 countries, a surface equivalent to the whole of France. In addition, biodiversity is threatened by climate change, but at the same time, it is crucial to mitigating its effects. So the Convention works on enhancing the role of biodiversity in fighting this huge environmental problem. For more than 30 years, the Bern Convention has been providing assistance, surveillance and innovation to develop strong political actions for the conservation of our natural heritage, involving not only governments but also citizens and NGOs. The Convention is much more than a regional agreement about environmental protection. It's the European contribution to the sustainable development of life on the planet. The Bern Convention, protecting nature for a better future.